Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom on MacBook Air M2 step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your MacBook Air M2. In the address bar, type zoom.us and press enter. Once the Zoom homepage loads, look for the Resources tab at the top of the page. Hover over the Resources tab and select Download Zoom. This will take you to the download page for Zoom. Locate the Zoom Client for Meetings section on the page. Click on the blue Download button beneath this section. The Zoom installer file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded Zoom installer file called zoom.package. A window will open, guiding you through the installation process. Click the Continue button to begin. Read through the software license agreement and click Continue. When prompted, click Agree to accept the terms. Next, select your installation disk, typically named Macintosh HD, and click Continue. Then, click Install to start. You may be prompted to enter your Mac's administrator password. Type your password and click Install Software. Wait as the installation proceeds, which should only take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click Close. If prompted, you can choose to move the installer to the trash. To launch Zoom, go to your Applications folder. Find the Zoom app and double-click on it to open. You may also add Zoom to your dock for easier access in the future. Upon opening Zoom, you'll be greeted with the login screen. If you have an account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up Free to create one. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Zoom on your MacBook Air M2. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.